All right, let's get into this. Um, Market opens here in about a few seconds. Sorry if I kind of sound funny. I'm like sick as hell right now. Starting to feel it yesterday, but yeah, right now I'm just like kind of feel like shit. Um, But yeah. All right, so NQ is ripping down right now. Uh, be pretty cool if we can stay above these highs. So we have a high time frame, bullish S&T, um, lower high here. We have a higher high here, but it's like just by a tiny bit, like these are stacked, but you already took it out on NAS, so it doesn't really matter. Like usually this would be a strong draw on liquidity with like stuff stacked like this, but we already swept it on NQ, so it doesn't really matter anymore. Excuse me. But we were we were we were bearish on the on so we were bearish 4 hour, bearish 1 hour, bearish 30 minute, uh, but then we just turned bullish 30 minute and then 15 minute just broke structure to the upside on the 15 minute and then 5 minute were also bullish. But if we close this, we'll be bull or bearish on the 5 minute. Um, Bro, right now, honestly, like not for sure like what we really want right now. We honestly just have to wait because bro, like we've literally just been in this gap for the last like fucking I don't even know, like week. And this price action's just been pretty ass. I'm not gonna lie, which kind of sucks, but whatever, We've been trying to work with it. Haven't been getting completely smoked, but I mean, uh, yeah, just trying to work with it, get opportunity when we can. If it works out, it works out. But we have hourly highs up here. Don't need this. It's session lows there. Um, we have this low, this hourly low. Just trying to see if we'd want to reverse off that or sweep. We kind of got a mini, but then we just started going lower, so hard to say what we want because like drawing liquidity wise, not really much to go off of. Still just these lows down here that I've been saying for the past week, like I said. Um, but yeah. But what I am kind of seeing is like we kind of have this low resistance here, liquidity, so I don't mind the look of that, especially on the 30 minute, looks pretty nice. Um to the upside. But, I mean, we have a couple hourly draws that we could take a look at. I don't know why that's on there. Yeah, there we go. But yeah, and I want to say we also had equal highs somewhere that I was noticing. I can't remember where they were. Yeah, it was on ES, these highs here. They're equal highs, which is pretty far up, but I mean, not completely out of range, you know what I mean? But yeah, so that's pretty fire. And that's like on the hourly time frame, so it's a pretty strong draw on liquidity, but it's like, do we really want to go up there in the AM? Probably not. With the way the market's been moving, probably not. especially at AM, like maybe Asia session or something, or maybe like PM session. But um, yeah, bro. So like right now, it's just like we don't have much to actually trade to right now. We swept session low pre-market, not quite on ES, but we did on NAS. So we actually did get this bullish SMT um completed on this move up here, or completed once we swept this high. So looks like okay, so we broke structure on the 5 minute on NAS, and then we haven't yet on ES, but it's like also though, this seems like it's kind of high resistance liquidity in a way as well. So it's like I don't know if we'd want to trade towards that. Uh, if we can hold that 5 minute gap on NAS, that'd be cool. Uh, I don't know if we will though. We still have a lot of time. Damn, bro, I do not feel good. Ugh. Damn, bro, these print candles are printing like crazy. What the fuck? I just go to the 1 minute for a second and I just see this shit like trying to print up here and then it just Ugh. Damn, my throat hurts. It's looking like we're gonna want to sweep this low. This one here. Mm, most likely. So we got this gap. Okay. Ripping right now. Okay, like I said, that's what was gonna happen. Oh. Okay, so we broke structure on the 5 minute on both indexes to the downside, although we swept a significant we swept um uh um New York pre-market low. Sorry, I don't know. I haven't said that in a minute. I just forgot what the hell. But we swept New York pre-market low, and then we got this bullish SMT causing this move up. Then we ended up moving back down, taking out pre-market lows, like I said. Now it's obviously in bearish market structure, on higher time frames. So right now, not much to target to the downside, like draw liquidity wise. So if we start getting confluences to go short, then we can't really trade it, in my opinion. For me personally. So just gonna have to straight up wait because right now we're retracing in the equilibrium on the 5 minute. Might already be in it. No, not quite. We already are on ES. And we're kind of engulfing this candle right now. Um, there's this 15-minute gap as well.
Love you, bye.
Love you.
Have a good day. I'll see you after. Oh, no, what? Unless I see you at lunch.
Alright. And it's just like we're back and forth, just like every fucking day. Like inverse this bearish gap. Boom. We're about it. Inverse this bullish gap now on the 15-minute. Like maybe we don't. That'd be pretty nice if we didn't. Cause then we'd be respecting that bullish gap on the 15-minute. Then after that, I want to see some sort of. I don't think we're gonna get a retracement either, which sucks, but whatever. We'll see though. Yeah, we're about to take this high. So yeah, shorts for me personally right now is out of the picture. I was already kind of saying that just because they're on liquidity wise, no good. But we're about to smack this right now without an entry. So, uh, right. Okay, so we inverse that gap. Now we're in a situation though where, like, bro, what is this shit, dude? It's every fucking day, man. I gotta not let it get in my head. Don't get in my head. Yeah, those were the hourly highs. Those are the draws. This is the next draw, I think, on the hourly. Yeah, I did what I said. Now we're in a difficult situation, bro, because hi, kitty. What's up with you? Damn, my throat hurts. I think I got like strep throat or something, which is unfortunate. Hi. Hi, kitty. You want up? Come on. Get up here. You want up here? Um, but right now. Hi. How you doing? You want here? No. Okay. Um, but so right now, this is what I was wanting to target. Just couldn't get an entry. Like, look at that. Can't really do anything with that. Not even a 1 minute gap there or anything to even be inverse stuff. So I mean, um, okay, we inverse that 5 minute, but it was all the way up here. So not really much we could do with that. Like NQ is probably bound to hit this, but I just didn't want to do that because ES already swept this high. So we'd have to see like brother, I don't even just no entry, bro. Honestly, I'm gonna be so real. Um, so because right now it's hard because we're above hourly highs right now, pushing higher right now, but this is where we potentially, what's it called, could be like moving, or we could like get a reversal off this is what I was trying to say. But there's this hourly gap right here too. That could be like manipulation or something. But yes, what's a yes looking like? Hey, stop. Stop. Bro, stop. Damn. Jesus. Bro. Zara. Stop. Stop, bro. Jeez, dude. Jeez. Good morning. Stop bringing it over there. Go over there. Thank you. Okay, so we just smacked that high I had out on Nas. Pushing towards. Okay, so this is obvious now. Honestly, this was probably our only entry. Um, Straight up. I don't think we're gonna get a 5 minute retrace. So, um, I don't mind missing this though. It's whatever. Just not much I can do with that, to be frank. So, cool. Thank you. Now she's going to play over there. That shit was really pissing me off. Hard to say now because we're overextended as fudge to the upside, but it's like we're gonna want to take this out to even. Um, but it's just push off this 1 minute. Could have entered off that, I guess. But I mean, brother, like, just not. It's just not following strategy, bro. So I just can't do much with this, man. Like, really? Zara! No! Stop. 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 No. No. I love you, but no. I love you, but no. Stop. Why are you acting like that this morning? Putting me in a bad mood. I don't fuck with it. You don't mess with me when I'm doing this shit. Mm. Dude, I don't know if we're gonna retrace this far. We at least need a 1 minute break. At least a 1 minute break to the downside. Because it's like we gotta be careful now, because now everyone's just probably thinking buys, buys, buys. And that's not what the market wants. Like they gotta fake out some people, bro. Oh, holy. It just won't break, bro. $9.58 New York time. This is when we're looking for entries here. I don't know if we're gonna want to come all the way down here. I doubt it. Okay. Okay. We got a 1 minute break. Dude, what are you doing? All right. Retracing right now. Let's see. Taking out this low resistance as well. Zara. Zara. Oh, Zara. Wish there was an inverse gap there, or gap, so we could inverse it. There is on NQ. So if we can close above that gap on NQ, Mm. Of a feather, we should stick together. Zar! Oh, stop! 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 Kitty, stop it. You can't do that. Stop. Stop! No! No! Stop! In here for a second. Damn, bro, we may have entered too early, low key, but it's chill. I mean, we'll see. It's just there's no way we're gonna get this close to the high and not. So, I mean, I don't like that my stop isn't protected, but it's underneath the 1 minute gap. That's about it. I don't like that. It's a 1 minute bearish S&T. Bro, like, I was being mad patient for real, so I mean, I'm entered off this 1 minute break. We got the retrace on the 5 minute. Um, so I don't like that it's not sending us higher though already, so that's what I'm not liking. Or keep hesitating right here, so I don't like that at all actually. But there was a gap right here on NAS, so that's what I entered off of. But just on the opposite index, yes. We're super close to um what high is that? Wait, hold up. Oh, shit, I thought that was an hourly high. Was it not? Oh, bro, it's not. Yeah, I did not know that. I guess that's just session high. I didn't know that. Hopefully we can respect this 1 minute gap. Yeah, I don't like that. We are smoked, boy. Damn. That's just really unfortunate, honestly, bro. Like, I mean, it's chill though. We gonna have to wait for change in market structure. Once again, no gap there. That sucks. That's really it's really unfortunate. It's a little bit unfortunate there, but still respecting the 1 minute gap. Just wicked us out. These wicks are just crazy, bro. Damn. I think I just wasn't patient enough, Loki. I think I wasn't patient enough. I think I wasn't patient enough, man. That's what got me. Thing is, though, we closed above or we inversed this hourly. That's the thing. So it's like, I'm fine with that loss though. It's within my risk parameters just because the stop loss was so small. So I'm gonna enter because we got that break of structure. Damn, bro, getting ripped without me, man. I'd love for it to go rebalance lower so I can enter, but yeah. Be the best we're gonna get here. Come on, bro. I wanted to enter on this fucking break of structure, but I didn't, bro, because I'm a bitch. That was what we needed. Go. There we go. Bro, really? I wait that whole time and now we rebalance down there. Really? Really, bro? Okay. Whatever. Like, bro, we have like quadruple freaking highs right now. Like, brother, there's no way. I'd love to close above this 1 minute high. That'd look good. Damn, bro. Damn, bro, this is not looking that great. Like, it's just we also inverse that hourly. Maybe we sweep this and then damn, dude. Honestly, like, I don't even know what I'm doing wrong. Because, like, dude, it's about a break structure on the 5 minute as well to the downside. It's just like genuinely. Nas made like damn near equal those, I think, too. Bro, I honestly just like, I'm just confused, bro. Like, I'm not even tripping about like losing today. Or like, I'm not even, like, I don't care about losing anymore. It's just like, it's just like, I don't understand. I really don't understand. Like, maybe we just wanted to sweep this low and then go higher, but it's just like, I mean, like, this is choppy as hell, but I don't know. I mean, it's like we're so close to London High. Like, I just don't understand. I followed strategy too. Like, I waited for that retrace, bro. Like, even in the second trade, bro. Like even in the second trade, dog. Followed strategy. So it's just like, see if we can hold this. Or you know it's bad when you're like marking out multiple 1 minute FVGs, bro. Like, dude, this is crazy, bro. Honestly. not looking good if we inverse that gap. I'm not gonna lie. We'll probably get stopped out if we inverse this. Jeez. Jeez Louise, broski. Don't inverse it. Okay, Nas took these lows. Yeah, we got to start moving up, but just about now. Oh my screen's been black, bro. Are we serious, dude? I didn't know that. Well, like I said earlier, we're in another trade. Um, but what's it called? Inverse this 1 minute gap, got the retrace into 5 minute equilibrium on the second trade on this move down. And then, yeah, and then was wanting to enter off this breaker structure, but then I was just waiting for a rebalance because I figured we were just going to rip up to London high. So then I just missed the entry, but then I just waited for the rebalance down here, and then that's when I entered. But this just looks like, bro, at this point, this is just stupid as hell, honestly. Like, I don't get it. I mean, like, broski. Like, this is just wild, bro. I'm not gonna lie. This is insane. If I knew it was just gonna be this choppy, I just wouldn't have even traded, bro. Like, bro, London High literally just like literally like damn near 2 ticks away. It's like, brother, maybe we manipulate this low again and move up. Like, bro, like I don't even, bro. It's yeah, we're smoked. The only the only thing is if we take this again and then because we just took this low again, now we need to start seeing moves up again because this just looks like shit, bro. Yeah, we're smoked. We are smoked because yeah, need ES to start moving around, otherwise Nas is just gonna follow. Mm, Market's just been cooking me, man. Not gonna lie. It's not even that I'm taking bad trades either, bro. Honestly, just it's just kind of how it's been going, bro. You know, just kind of crazy work, bro. Bro, equal highs, bro. Equal highs. Equal highs. What the bro? Bro, I'm not even trying to get emotional, but what the fuck was that? Bro, what the fuck? Bro, I want to enter again so bad. Genuinely. Bro, what the hell was that? I'm honestly not even mad. I'm just kind of flabbergasted right now. Holy crap. That's actually insane. It's actually insane, bro. Oh, this account is like really close to being blown too now. Oh, dude. Bro, yeah, it's basically smoked. Bro, I'm not even mad about the account or like the loss. It's just that just doesn't happen. I've, bro, I've been trading damn near a year. I have never even seen that happen before. I'm not gonna lie. Or like just under a year, but what the bro. All right, well, it's all good, man. Love and appreciate y'all boys. We'll be here tomorrow. I don't even know if we'll trade or not. It's just we're gonna have to see. Yeah, peace.